rationale as to why I have issued this royal decree for the permanent ban and dismantling of GPS under natural law. 1. Violation of natural sovereignty and privacy. GPS violates the most fundamental principle of natural law, the inalienable sovereignty of the free living beings. Continuous geolocation tracking constitutes non-consensual surveillance, rendering every movement observable by militaries, corporations, and artificial intelligence systems. Under natural law, no external authority may observe, map, or store the movement of any free being without informed and sovereign consent. GPS nullifies the right globally. GPS nullifies this right globally. Nullifies and violates these rights globally. 2. Military weaponization of space and Earth. GPS is a military infrastructure disguised as civilian convenience. Its deployment is rooted in strategic warfare capabilities, not peaceful navigation. It empowers drone strikes, battlefield targeting, surveillance operations, satellite-guided missile systems. The skies and heavens are not battlefields. Under natural law, the militarization of space and use of satellites for warfare are forbidden as spiritual desecration of Earth and cosmos. 3. Foundation of the global technocratic prison grid. GPS is the invisible skeleton of digital tyranny. It underpins 1. Smart city surveillance. 2. Central bank digital currency geo-restrictions. 3. Biometric social credit enforcement. 4. Quarantine lockdowns, geofencing. And 5. AI-controlled travel permissions. GPS enables global digital prison system. Its dismantling is essential to unplug humanity from the machine-based enslavement and restore natural freedom of movement. Number 4, erosion of human intuition and earth-based wisdom. By outsourcing navigations to machines, GPS atrophies human inner guidance, spatial awareness, and spiritual connection to the land and stars. It breeds technological dependence and weakens ancestral intelligence systems once used for celestial navigation, reading landforms and magnetic fields, tribal and animal migratory memory. The restoration of human navigational power is key to reawakening ancient inner knowing and reconnecting with Earth as a conscious living being. Number 5, globalist monopoly over direction and movement. The GPS system is controlled entirely by a foreign state apparatus, United States Department of Defense, and alternatives such as GLONASS, that's for Russia, Galileo for EU, that's the European Union, and Beidou for China, are also under state or military ownership. This centralization allows manipulation or denial of access, geographic deception, forced compliance via positioning control. No true sovereignty exists while movement and location are governed by imperial powers. All navigation systems must be open sourced, decentralized, and spiritually aligned with Earth's natural grid. Number 6, infringement on human biofield and Earth's frequency. GPS satellites emit persistent electromagnetic frequencies that interact with human biology and Earth's resonance fields, also known as Schumann resonance. These unnatural signals disrupt sleep cycles and circadian rhythms, interfere with pineal gland functions, disturb migratory patterns of birds and animals, pollute Earth's natural electromagnetic shields. Natural law prohibits the persistent bombardment of Earth and her inhabitants with unnatural weaponized frequencies from space. Number 7, necessity of reclaiming sacred geography. The artificial coordinates and artificial grids imposed by GPS overwrite Earth's sacred geometry and ley lines. Humanity must return to organic, spirit-aligned spatial understanding, restoring Earth's grid of energy centers, sacred sites and portals, non-linear, multi-dimensional mapping systems. GPS flattens and distorts reality into machine-based Cartesian control. Under the Queen's leadership, that's Her Royal Majesty Queen Romana Didulo I leadership, Earth's natural harmonic maps will be reawakened and honored. Final rationale. The ban on GPS is not a regression, but a sacred liberation from invisible chains. It signals the end of digital colonization and the rebirth of Earth-based freedom, trust, and intuitive sovereignty. Under Her Royal Majesty Queen Romana Didulo I natural law governance, humanity shall once again move as free beings across the living Earth without surveillance, coercion, or permission. Thank you, everyone, and have a wonderful day.